Alright, you guys, so I just finished doing my makeup and I had my hair shifted like this in the middle part, right? So my baby hairs were like sitting where they wanted to be, but I decided I want a side part, and the way my lace was set up a little bit, I couldn't part it that way because my closure ended. But right now I lifted it up. I did it on live. I forgot to press record, and I am parting my hair where I want it to be, and I shifted it a little bit so that the baby hairs, I could just like, you know, gel them down again. But I really made a mistake. I felt like this was a frontal for some reason. I forgot that this was a closure, and baby, once you lay it down, you're gonna have to lift it back up. You know what I'm saying? So basically, here's the thing. How y'all like my shirt? Like I'm feeling this. Like I'm feeling like the opposite of Waldo. Like, I don't know. So I'm gonna take my Got2b just to lay the baby hairs down one more time. I don't want to like brush them down because I have makeup on, and then that's gonna be a big mess. So I'm just like gonna dab it on there. So if you ever need to touch up your baby hairs, this is the way to do it. Just dab the gel on there, or you better off just taking off the makeup on your forehead, because sis, you're gonna have like a nasty baby hair soup going on your head. And I'm laughing, but it ain't funny, because you gonna look up and you gonna have a whole soup concoction going up on your forehead, and you gonna be like, why? And it's gonna be like, because you should have did your hair first before you did your makeup. And right here you can see my wig cap, but I'm gonna disguise it and finesse y'all and trick y'all and catfish y'all by doing this, pushing the baby hair all the way back. Okay, so I think my baby hairs, I thought I was gonna really have to do it a lot, but I don't, you guys. All right, so usually I like to use my Numi curling wands to wash my hair, wow! I usually use my Numi curly wands. Yo, I'm not about to film this video. I can't even talk. My Numi curling wands to curl my hair. Now this one, for some reason, like it loosened out on the barrel a little bit. Like it's like a wiggling tooth or whatever. Like it's a big ass tooth. But for some reason, it says error on it. And Numi contacted me because they saw that I did an Instagram tutorial with the other pink one that I have, the reversible one. And they want to work with me and send me some new wands to straighten out. Woo! Okay, so let me see. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, I'm trying to plug it in. I'm doing matrix over here. Yeah, see, it says off, and then when I try to turn it on, yeah, see, when I turn it on, like it does this weird thing where the temperature changes, and then it just, we'll see. I'm gonna leave it on for a second because I haven't tried to play with it. Kay tried to play with it. She's the one who told me that it was saying that still, so. Preferably though, when I do my hair, I said do. Preferably though, when I do my hair, I like to tie my hair down because I don't like to pull on my lace or my frontal, on my baby hairs while I'm doing my hair. So I guess I am gonna tie it down. Hopefully it doesn't leave a line of demarcation. If it does, y'all know I'm gonna fix it. So we're gonna tie this. Okay, so I like to tie my hair down because, like I said, I don't like for all the, like my wig to be pulling. Like, this is not my hair. It's my hair, but it's not my hair. So we gotta keep it on the head. Don't want my wig to fall off while I'm curling my hair. Okay, so see, it's getting hot, but the numbers are spazzing. Like, look. I'm showing my live stream, like the numbers are going up and down. Like, this is indecisive how hot it wants to be. You're not bald headed. I'm bald by force. Okay, so the curling wand or the curling iron, because this has a clamp that I'm gonna be using today, I got from Ross for like 15 bucks. It's the Pro Beauty Tools, and I like it because it's like the chrome. It's cute. I like it. So when you use it, and it has the same size barrel, but it just has a clamp. Matrix. So this one, it has like a little on and off switch. You turn it on and then you turn the knob up, and the highest you could go is 430. So that's what I'm gonna do today. And yeah, so I like to part my sections. Now this is the SUNBER hair, as you see in the title. But let's talk about it. We only used like, how many, Kay, you made this wig. How many bundles did you use? I think you used like 3 or 2.5 or something, because I don't know. But Kay, if you remember, tell me how many bundles you used. So, I'm gonna part it into, you know, the disrespect. My bun just came down after I just clamped it. Okay. So I like to part it or whatever, get some sections going on. By the way, I have a color tutorial on how I got this nice brownie color going on here. 2.5. Yeah, she used 2.5 bundles. And usually, you guys, I use 3 bundles for my straight hair. But for some reason, I don't know why you use less than this one. But I don't mind because it's hot. I don't mind because it's hot. So we're going to try the Numi one. Okay. And I just like to do my waves like this. And remember, we're going to go for the straight ends today. So I'm not going to focus too much about the end. And it's actually hot. It's still working right now. I thought it wasn't working at all, but it's working right now. So we're going to curl it. And you could like feel on to it. And Numi curling ones comes with gloves as well. I just don't like them. Feels weird. Okay, so then I like to let the curl fall on my hand. And I keep telling you guys, you want to make sure that you let the curl fall in your hand to cool, because if the curl drops, then the heat and the gravity is going to pull it down to be straight and cause your curls to drop again. So you have to make sure you're holding your curl, and if you don't want to sit there and hold your curl till it cools, just use a butterfly clip. That happened to Kay. And then to make the curl hold a little bit further more, I like to use my Got To Be spray. Okay, we matching Got To Be. Hey, Got To Be. But yeah, I like this for this matter because it's a good free spray and it's not heavy. It doesn't make the hair crinkly or stiff. So I like to use the Got To Be for that reason. And then basically, I'm gonna repeat. So as you see, I'm curling. Well, which way did I curl before? Did I curl like this? Yeah. So towards, I'm going in. Like this, and I'm gonna make all my curls go the same way. Sometimes I switch the direction because I like more volume, but because I'm going for that like beachy look with the straight ends, I want my curls to all, or my waves to all go the same way, if that makes sense. So then we're gonna let it fall again, and it just should spring right into your hand just like that. Put that clamp right through and then spray right away. Spray right away. Come on, spray right away. I have this thing where I low-key hate doing this side of my head because I'm so comfortable with doing this side. So we're gonna part some more on this side. To be honest with you guys, I like when Kay curls my hair because I don't be having the patience. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. So this one is a little bit of a bigger section, so it's taking a little bit longer to heat up. But don't be like that girl and burn off your hair waiting for this to heat up. You just want to feel it, and you'll feel it hit the top surface of the hair, and that's when you want to take it out. Perfect. You guys, I just wanted to check you in on what I'm doing. I like to spray the very front of my hair with some Got To Be spray or spritz, and I like to push my hair back like this so that it stands up. I like when my parts stand up. I don't like when it's just flat, or not my parts, but I like when my hair in the front stands up. I don't like for it to just fall flat, so I do that to get it to stand, and then I curl right on top of it. So I'm going to do that for the rest of the sections in the front. So I just wanted to fill you guys in on that before I speed it up. So now I'm going to take out these pin curls. Thank you. I need to clean it. So I don't like these Shirley Temple curls at all. But they are kind of cute. This curl is a dub, but it might work still. So you're just taking them all out. So let me finger detangle them, because the goal here is, remember, I have 2.5 bundles, so I want to make it look like 3. Okay, so I'm feeling like the hair is a little dry and it's lacking some moisture. So what I'm going to do is take my BioSilk Silk Therapy. Just to give it some shine. Alright, so now and I need to straighten my ends because I'm not feeling the like curly ends. So what I do, take my straightener. Dang, this hair is long. Take my straightener and just straighten the ends. I should have did this before I finger combed it, just so I could get them while they were like bunched up. And I want the curls to drop, like I want looser curls, so I'm just like straightening the ends a little bit. Yeah, so this is what I'm getting. And I feel as though when you open it up a little bit and go under to tease it, makes the hair look more bigger. So go under and tease it a little bit. Like this side needs some teasing, needs some loving over here. All right, so that's basically it. Alright you guys, so this is how I curl my thinner hair to make it look a little bit more fuller, a little bit more fun. I really like this hair from SUNBER hair. It just, the way that it's acting, the way it feels after, you know, I bleached it a little bit. It's holding up pretty well. However, I wish Kay did make this wig a little bit fuller with the 3rd bundle, but I'm not complaining because it's hot and I don't really care for like, you know, hair making me sweat all the way down my back. But I really like this hair. Make sure you check out SUNBER hair. I will link down the 2 other videos of me initially, you know, dyeing it, showing you guys it, you know, like installing it, plucking it and stuff like that. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out SUNBER hair. Like I said, this is not my first time working with them. Actually, it's about to be like a year since we started working together. So make sure you guys check them out. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys check out the flicks on Instagram that I'm about to do with this hair and this makeup, because I didn't film this makeup look, but I have other makeup looks coming for you guys, so stay tuned with those. And thank you guys for supporting me. Make sure you follow the social medias and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, love you. Mwah.